We're back. What's up, guys? Jay First, and I'm here together with Chords, making a future bass course. Currently we have the build up and the drop, and we will work on the breakdown, intro and breakdown right now. So yeah, let's listen to what we have from the last time. Okay, how can we kind of rewrite this into something kinda, yeah, I don't know. If we were to make a intro, what would we do? I have an idea already, so we'll add some layers of piano and let's remove this, and we have, I love the init preset in Serum. It's kind of something special. So I kind of have an idea to what we can do here. So building a breakdown, if we want vocals, it can be a kind of chill breakdown. So I'll see if I can find something chill to use. I kinda dig this sound, but if we were to make something special out of it, like adding something like this, we can do like this and then add this one. Let's see if it has some potential, but we will work on it. Let's see. This kind of works. Somehow I kinda like it, and somehow I don't like it, so might be changed, might not. It's hard. So what we're gonna use for this kinda is kinda like a Reese bass, and it works perfect with the piano we have in the beginning. So let's kinda like cut some of this and this, and we will add something we haven't added yet, a filter cut off to work with it. So kind of like this and then this, like, so we can hear it, but also like we don't want to hear it too much. So let's pull this down a notch. I'm already super tired of this one, maybe it's because of this, so let's try to remove the delay, and what we will do is adding something funky. Maybe that will work. not sure about the sound. This pack has some awesome guitars. Okay, so kind of like we're gonna need some drums here as well. Trust me, it will come. So I'm just gonna layer these two kind of. Okay, so we kind of have something right now. We want to build a beat here. This is to save space. So, yeah. So what I'm doing now, I'm kind of building the bridge pretty fast because I kind of know what's going to happen here, but damn, that clap is... Okay, something's triggering me here, and it's fixed. Okay, so kind of want something to work here, so let's remove this, and okay, let's have it here. Wow. And then just do like this. I'm gonna have the same effect here, and we are gonna have some of these nice things running. I want to add this over here. Maybe have the clap going here. this down here. Right now I'm building parts of the track. And what I'm thinking about is like, what if we do like this? I kind of have these here again because I like how they're going. Bum, 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 bum. Perfect. Perfect. Let's add the rest of this.